Hi everyone, this is Kiyabo Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawin natin reaction video ang Barda compilation kasi ang daming mga ang daming mga edits and everything, so excited talaga ako mapanood to. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. For sure, ang dami ko pa talaga hindi may kahapon pa na event si Barbie. Tingnan mo si Barbie. Iba talaga ang tingin ni Barbie. Iba talaga. Kung alam mo yung mahinahon na nagkakwento si Ginoo or nakikipag-usap si Ginoo, ang titig ni Barbie, iba din. Kung napapansin ninyo, kung nagiging seryoso si Ginoo, parang yung titig ni Barbie na, oh my God, I'm so proud of you. Diba? Every time talaga yung ginagawa, ni David, ni Barbie yan kay David. Pag si David nagsasalita na ng yung maliwan, yung boses niya is something like, ano tawag ito, mahumanay? Tama ba? Yung tipong how do I say this? Yung tipong malumanay, di ba? Tapos ang tingin ni Barbie sa kanya, napakalagkit. Sa totoo lang, every time talaga to. Di ba? Ayan o, naging seryoso si David. Tapos yung tingin ni Barbie na sa kanya, di ba? Yung tingin na ni Barbie sa kanya, every time na kalmado. Meaning to say, alam mo, pag mga ganyan, di ba? Pag mga ganyan, pag mga kalmado na yung isang tao, pag nagsasalita, sinisavor niya eh. Sinisavor ang moment eh. Di ba? Tapos feeling ko, nag-wow na lang si Barbie kasi parang, oops, parang masyado naman ata malagkit ang ang tingin ko. Parang ganun. Ay, ito. Ay, ano to? Interview.
Oh my gosh, hello! Oh my God, it's you! It's you!
Ah, si Goldwing.
Alam mo, I can't wait to watch Sunshine. I saw your reviews there. Grabe.
Oo.
Sana ganun din sa amin.
Si Goldwing, ito yung nagre-review. Yeah, wait, ulitin natin.
Hello, thank you so much for coming. Ano? Oh my gosh, hello! Oh my God, it's you! It's you! I can't wait to watch Sunshine. I saw your reviews.
Sunshine.
Grabe. Sana ganun din sa amin.
Oo.
Thank you so much for coming. Hi, Golden Reviews. This is Barbie. I hope you get to enjoy the film. And please be kind to us. Thank you. Come through. Thank you so much. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Sige po.
Iyakin ka ba? Magugulatin ka ba? Sabi ka kay Barbie.
Ginulat.
Ganda ni Barang dito, no? Ito may interview. Panoorin natin to. Siyempre, matalino talaga sumagot si Barbie, di ba? Alam niyo yan, mga mami. Ah, okay. P77 now show. Atake.
Thank you!
Atake dyan si Barbie. Charis. Ay, talaga? Ang dami. Ay, hindi siya premiere night. Ang ganda ni Barbie kagabi. Kumikinang talaga siya.
I'm feeling kind of nervous as to what your reactions would be after the film. But sana po ma-appreciate niyo po ang napakagandang pelikula namin. It is a horror film, yes, pero we've been getting mixed reactions na na-move din po talaga sila sa storya ng pelikula namin. So sana overall it would resonate to all of you.
Resonate.
Napakalalim po ng pelikula namin, napakatalino ng pagka-horror. Hindi lang po kami basta manggugulat, pero it will leave you with a lot of realizations about life, about family as well, and about your personal issues,
Your personal issues.
So sana po ay marami po kayong matutunan sa aming pelikula. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ano, Diyos ko. Uy, manood tayo Manood kayo, please.
At maganda yung review mo. Bakit?
Manood kayo, please.
Monday. Ayun, thank you po. Yung mga TikTok creators.
Ang ganda ni Barbie.
Thank you so much for coming. Idol.
Ay, mga TikTok creators.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Enjoy po. Enjoy.
Okay. Let's hear from Sir Enrico Santos, our award-winning writer.
Award-winning writer to.
Good afternoon and maybe evening na. Thank God tumigil ang ulan para nandito tayo lahat ngayon. And
Makinig tayo sa mga interview.
very, very proud of this movie. Sumulat po kami ng horror, pero nung napanood namin sa advance,
Tsaka GMA Pictures kasi siya. Pag GMA Pictures talaga, they never disappoints.
horror history.
Talaga
40
ba?
minutes po yata umiyak na walang tigil.
Oh my God.
My God, kaya po nagbaha. Hindi po, honestly po, it's the most dramatic horror movie that I've
Most dramatic? Wow. Big word, ah.
would like to say that it's
Ano
more
ba?
than horror. It's actually,
It's more than a horror.
very drama. Hindi namin nakalain, ganun ang ibigay ni Barbie sa amin at ni Direk.
Wow.
And it actually tackles more than just the fear in us, but things like, Barbs, yung role mo na parang panganay syndrome, yung kailangan ikaw ang
Panganay syndrome. Oh my God, it's all about, oh my God, P77 is not just like about, may mga panganay syndrome kasi may second child syndrome. Yung second child syndrome, yung alam mo yung hindi ka, yung feeling mo black sheep ka, yung tipong alam mo yung hindi ka mahal kasi may bunso, may kapatid, may ate. Di ba ang bunso usually, mahal yan ng nanay. Ang panganay, mahal yan ng tatay. Ang bunso, ang nasa gitna, ang medyo dihado for today's video. Kahit sa mga picture-picture nakikita mo talaga, ang hawak ng tatay, ang panganay, ang hawak ng bunso, ang hawak ng nanay, ang bunso, ang panganay ang panggitna talaga dyan lang. So basically, P77 is just like, it's not just a horror movie, should I say. This is something like, may family din na itatakel dito.
or minsan, ikaw pa nagiging ina ng mga nanay mo.
Exactly.
And then, as a parents, so meron pong mga contemporary issues naman na nakikita natin na part of the fear of every Filipino.
Part of the fear.
The horror. Dahil naman po, alam naman natin ang horror natin ngayon ay tunay na buhay na.
Totoo.
Hindi na multo at aswang.
Totoo.
And alam nyo, may konting tipo, may konti rin pong commentary on parang AI, kung paano nag-warp ang reality. Pero
Oh.
Ilalim na lang po yun. Pagka na lang gusto nyo halukayin. Pero all I can say is that pagka po gusto nyo i-enjoy nyo po. Mag-enjoy po tayo lahat today. Pagka gusto nyo pong namnamin ng drama, iiyak nyo po. Pero pag gusto nyo po rin alamin ang ilalim niya, makukuha nyo pa rin po ang pinaka-ilalim. So thank you very much for being here. I hope you enjoyed the movie and the popcorn.
And the popcorn. May libre ba?
Again, we're asking for your support dahil I think it's no lie, hirap na movie industry, Philippine movie industry. Today, so people like Barbie and GMA Films, while very, very grateful that they give a chance for the theaters to still give out Filipino movies that will, of course, reflect our soul. Na pag nawala po, medyo mahirap naman, wala na tayong salamin ng buhay. So, I hope all of you, critics, TikTokers, reviewers, would help out in giving a leg up to the Filipino movie industry.
Okay. Anyways, that is our for today's video. Siyempre, itutuloy pa natin. Marami pa tayong mga barda. This is Kipo Vlog. See you on my next vlog. Bye!